Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin D without getting tanned. We'll explore various ways to increase your vitamin D levels safely, focusing on methods that don't require direct sun exposure. You'll learn about key dietary sources, effective supplementation strategies, and other practical tips to maintain optimal vitamin D without changing your skin tone. Many foods naturally contain or are fortified with vitamin D. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are among the best natural sources. You can also find vitamin D in fortified milk, orange juice, and cereals. Certain mushrooms, particularly those exposed to UV light, also offer a good amount. Don't forget egg yolks, which contribute a small but helpful dose. For many, supplements are a reliable way to ensure adequate vitamin D intake without sun exposure. Vitamin D3, or cholecalciferol, is generally considered the most effective form. It's crucial to speak with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for your individual needs, as amounts can vary significantly. Supplements come in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid drops. Beyond diet and supplements, there are other strategies. Specialized UV lamps, designed to emit UVB radiation, can stimulate vitamin D production in the skin without tanning. When outdoors, wear protective clothing and seek shade, especially during peak sun hours. Regularly monitoring your vitamin D levels through blood tests is also a smart way to ensure you're meeting your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.